Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Do you worry about making mistakes?
Many English learners feel the same.
But here's the truth.
You do not need perfect English to start speaking.
You only need courage.
Today, we will share powerful motivational sentences.
These sentences will help you believe in yourself.
Listen carefully.
And repeat after us.
Every day is a new chance to learn English.
Small progress is still progress.
Do not compare your journey with others.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Speaking slowly is better than not speaking at all.
Confidence comes from practice.
Your effort today will help you tomorrow.
Learning a language takes patience.
Keep going, even when it feels difficult.
Your future self will thank you.
Great! Keep practicing with us.
One new word a day can change your English.
Practice makes speaking easier.
Every learner starts as a beginner.
Believe that you can improve.
Do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Speak even if your sentence is not perfect.
Courage is more important than perfection.
Progress happens little by little.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Amazing. Let's continue.
Learning English opens new doors.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
Speak with courage.
Your accent is part of your story.
Learning slowly is completely okay.
Do not give up too soon.
Every minute of practice matters.
Consistency is the secret to success.
Stay curious and keep learning.
Your hard work will pay off.
You are doing great.
Speak English every day.
Try again when you fail.
Learning English is a beautiful journey.
Do not be afraid to try.
Every learner struggles at first.
Confidence grows with every word you speak.
Your progress is real.
Believe in your ability to learn.
Your effort is valuable.
Be proud of your learning journey.
Remember this. You only need the courage to speak.
You do not need perfect English.
But slow progress is still progress.
The journey may be slow.
One day you will speak English confidently.
Keep practicing every day.
Never stop believing.
Never stop learning. Now it is time for shadowing practice.
Listen to the sentence.
Then repeat after us.
Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm.
Let's begin.
Learning English takes time.
Learning English takes time.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Practice every day.
Practice every day.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Speak English with confidence.
Speak English with confidence. Keep repeating these sentences every day.
When you repeat positive sentences, your subconscious mind begins to believe them.
Slowly, your confidence in English will grow.
One day, speaking English will feel easy and natural.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
And every small step makes you better.
If you enjoyed practicing with us today,
Please like this video
subscribe to the channel for more English lessons.
and share this video with a friend who wants to learn English.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next episode of Slow and Steady English.